Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am frying plantain. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចៀនចេក plantain. This is air fry. This is fry with oil. អានេះចៀនជាមួយប្រេង អានេះចៀនជាមួយម៉ាស៊ីន air fryer. They both taste about the same. ទាំងពីរនឹងមានជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ដូចតែគ្នា You need 3 plantain. I pick the yellow plantain instead of green. I think it had more flavor and sweetness. If you pick the green, it had more like a young taste, young banana. I see a lot of recipe and my friend recommend me to try it, and it's so simple, so easy to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients, just oil and plantain, that's it. Cut both ends. Slice like that, cắt viên trắng. If you want this to be easy to peel, don't put it in the fridge. Leave it outside. បើយើងចង់ឲ្យបកស្រួលកុំដាក់វានៅក្នុងទូទឹកកកដាក់វានៅក្រៅ See, it's easy to peel. You cut like that. I'm going to make 2 different ways. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I mix it up. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Preheat is done. I'm gonna put the plantain in. You spread the plantain even in the air fryer pots. I put the plantain in the air fryer. Set for 350 for 15 minutes. I'm going to stop at 7 minutes. Take it out. Use these to press to make it flat. After it's flat, put it back in the air fryer. Finish it up. It's done. Now let's see. Not too bad. Easy, huh? All you need is 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 3 plantains. Cut it up. Put it in the air fryer for 7 minutes. Take it out. Press it flat. Put it back in for another 7 minutes. It's good to go. I heat up the pans. Pouring in the oil. ដាំខ្ទះចាក់ខ្លាញ់ cooking oil. Oil is heat. I put this in. That plantain. Put plantain in. You fry it for 10 to 15 minutes. ចៀន 10 to 15 minutes until it turns brown. Fry it till it change color to brown. Well, it takes less than 10 to 15 minutes. It turned brown already. I'm going to take it out of the oil. Turn up my heat. I use these to press. You press it when it's hot. It's soft. យើងច្បាច់សកត់វាពេលវាក្តៅស្រួលសកត់ឲ្យវាសប៉ែតចឹង It's easy to press it when it's hot out of the fryer. I heat up the pans again. ខ្ញុំដាំខ្លាញ់ After you press it flat, put it back in. ពេលយើងសង្កត់វាឲ្យវាសប៉ែតហើយយើងដាក់វាចៀនម្ដងទៀត You fry it again. it will be crispy វាស្រួយ Fry it for another 5 minutes យើងចៀន5 minutes ទៀត Now it's turning brown. I'm gonna take it out. Thank you for follow along with me. Watch me how to fry plantain. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. អរគុណច្រើនដែលបានមើលតាមដានមើលខ្ញុំចៀនចេក plantain បើអ្នកអត់ទាន់ subscribe channel នាងខ្ញុំទេសូមមេត្តា subscribe. I hope you give it a try. Thank you.